सीएम नायडू ने आईएएस और आईपीएस अफसरान पर जोर दिया कि वो क्वांटम टेक्नोलॉजी और सेमी कॉन्ट्रैक्टर्स के शोबे पर भरपूर तवज्जो मरकूज करें। विशाखापट्टनम में ई गवर्नेंस कॉन्फ्रेंस से खिताब में उन्होंने कहा कि मुल्क में अब साबिका दौर की तरह के हालात नहीं रहे। सीएम नायडू ने कहा कि टेक्नोलॉजी के बदलते दौर के साथ हुक्मरानी के निज़ामों में अभी से तब्दीली नागुज़ीर है।
Here I am requesting all of you and Government of India, even some of IAS officers today I am watching, youngsters more are from IITs, IIMs. I am proud of them. First time I am seeing earlier, all IAS officers are business, arts, some other background. Today, people are coming from IIT and also IIM. They are very genius also, not only IAS, IPS and also IFS and other competitive services. With all of you, our goal should be, one is quantum technology, how to use it, how to write algorithms, that ecosystem. And also we are talking 6G now. Tomorrow 7G will come. By 2047, 7G also will come. I had a very difficult time how to bring bandwidth once. Today we are very happy. This also we have to stabilize. We have to innovate new technologies for 7G. Otherwise we are paying loyalties or premium to other countries. Semiconductor is one more area. This also all of us has to work in that direction. Finally, I am telling all of you, 2047, not far away. It is only 22 years from now onwards. India, under the leadership of Honorable Prime Minister as on today, from 10th place we have reached to 4th place. 28 we are going to reach 3rd place. By 38 we are going to reach 2nd place. I don't have any doubt by 2047 India will be number 1 economy. Nobody can stop it.
आपको रखे बाखबर। देखिए मुंसिफ टीवी, लाइक कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए और सब्सक्राइब कीजिए। स्क्रीन पर दिया गया बटन जरूर दबाइए।